Beautiful afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Steve Burnett here from evchemfree.com. Once again, that's evchemfree.com. And you are here today. You're looking for the best steam cleaning company here in beautiful Houston, Texas, that doesn't use any chemicals. And here's a specific reason why we want to go over that. How do we get all of this out of your household? You know, I was having a beautiful conversation with a gentleman who owns evchemfree.com, and we were going over our childhoods. And just take a second to look back, ladies and gentlemen. Do you remember your grandparents, your great-grandparents, what they used to clean their households? It was nothing more than basic water and probably basic soap. Do you know why? Well, back then they didn't have as many chemicals that we have, that we're consistently polluting everything every day. We're pouring it in our toilets, we're pouring it in our sinks. Every time we wash our cars, it goes down the drain, and everything that we do collectively adds into that water. So what do? We have to go purchase chemicals to combat chemicals. But what we want to do is eliminate 100% of that. And just to let you know how dangerous those chemicals are, do me a favor, after this video, go look up under your kitchen sink. Go into your garage, look at all of the chemicals that you have consistently compiled in your household. But more importantly, look at how dangerous they are. Read the back of them. Take a second and see all the different bleaches and how they tell you not to mix them. But more importantly, how many of them have child-proof caps? Well, here at EV Chem Free, we're totally against that. We're going to show you how to eliminate 100% of the chemicals you have in your household. And here's something else that we want to do for you that's absolutely awesome as well. We would love to offer to you absolutely free, either an online demo or in-person demo, to show you everything that this company has to offer. And if you hang around for a few more seconds, you're going to see everything that you're going to get. But more importantly, we're going to show you step by step every way that you can eliminate every chemical you have in your household. Once again, this is Steve Burnett from evchemfree.com. I truly hope you're enjoying your day, and I hope to talk to you soon myself. Bye-bye.